Good morning, students. Today we are going to see preposition. So let's start from its definition. So a preposition comes before a noun or pronoun and shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun with the other words in a sentence, or words that show the relationship between two words or two phrases are known as prepositions. As we have read earlier also, that preposition are the words that comes before a noun or pronoun and shows the relationship between shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun with other words in the sentence. Okay, or you can say with object in the sentence. So let's see some examples now. Meet me at the station. Suhana is waiting for me. Steel is made from iron. Arrange the clothes in the cupboard. Now here you can see that the words at, for, from, in, they are showing the relation between the subject as well as the ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, यहाँ पे मीट मी एट द स्टेशन, हियर मी इज द सब्जेक्ट एंड स्टेशन इज द ऑब्जेक्ट. तो सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट के बीच का रिलेशन शो कर रहा है द वर्ड preposition. In the same way, for Suhana subject, me object, so it is showing the relation. For is showing the relation कि Suhana is waiting for me. Okay, in the same way, third also and fourth also. Now we will see here words like at, for, from, in are preposition because they are showing relation between the two, subject and object. Now we will see types of preposition. So at first there is the first type of preposition, that is preposition of place. Okay, जैसा कि इसका नाम है, we can see words that refer to place and positions are known as prepositions of place. Okay, means preposition of place वो हैं जो कि जगह या पोजिशन, स्थिति, स्टेट बताते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स, द बॉय स्टैंड्स बिसाइड द रेड कार is my brother. The boy standing beside the red car is my brother. Here beside is the word, beside means के बगल में. Beside is the word that is showing the place or position of the subject which is boy. Okay, so beside is preposition here. Second example is given, look behind you, अपने पीछे देखो. Behind means के पीछे. Here also behind is the word that is showing the place or position of the subject. Okay, but here there is no subject. Subject यहाँ पे हमारा verb है. Okay, now we will see some examples of preposition of place. Words such as on, in, inside, outside, up, next to, down, below, above, under, behind, in front of, beneath. Beneath means के नीचे, beside, between, among, across, at the back of, at, near, over, upon, opposite, on the corner of, etc. are prepositions of place. This you will have to learn. Okay, so learn it properly. They all are the examples of preposition of place. But when, कब, जब ये place direction बताते हैं, place बताते हैं subject का. Like there are few words like in, on, at. तो these are the words. Okay, yes, in, on, at. तो ये ऐसे words हैं जो कि they are preposition of time also. Okay, they are preposition of time also. लेकिन कब, when they speak about the preposition of time. Okay, जब वो टाइम की बारे में टाइम की बात करते हैं. Next is preposition of direction. Second type of preposition is preposition of direction. Words that refer to direction or movement are known as preposition of directions. Once again, direction means दिशा. Okay, तो अगर सब्जेक्ट की दिशा या सब्जेक्ट की दिशा और movement, if it is saying the word that it's saying, then that is considered as the examples of preposition of direction. For example, you put so much sugar into the coffee. Now see here, into, it is somewhere showing the direction. Okay, so here into is the example of preposition of direction. Next is, he walked towards the stage confidently. Towards means की तरफ. Okay, तो उसने स्टेज की तरफ confidently means विश्वास से भरे हुए. He walked towards the stage. So here towards is also showing the direction. That's why it is the example of preposition of place. Next is the ball went through the window. Means ball जो है वो window से होकर गुजरा. So here through is preposition of place. Some examples of preposition of place, no, direction. Once again preposition of direction. Towards is also preposition of direction. So some examples of prepositions of direction are words such as into, onto, around, across, down, along, from, over, under, through, towards, etc. are known as prepositions of direction. They are the words that are considered as the preposition of direction. You will have to learn it. But when जब ये direction बताएं या फिर movement बताएं, कोई object है, there is any object or any subject या कुछ भी, then that is considered as preposition of direction. Next, third type of preposition is preposition of time. Once again, types of preposition what we have seen till now. Preposition of place, जो कि what are preposition of place? That refer to place and position, जो कि जगह और स्थिति की बात करते हैं. सेकंड preposition of direction, जो कि डायरेक्शन और मूवमेंट की बात करते हैं. थर्ड preposition of time, prepositions that refer to the time or duration. Time means समय, duration means अवधि of an action or a state of being are called preposition of time. Okay, for example, see you at 5 p.m. simply understand, simply बस इतना समझता है कि preposition of time जो है वो time बताते हैं. Okay, see you at 5 p.m. at, it is the preposition here. My birthday is in July, it is preposition of time here. I am telling you once again, in, it is preposition of, in is preposition of place also. Suppose he lives in Mumbai, ठीक है, मुंबई is preposition, तो यहाँ पे place preposition in जो है it is telling about place. So here in is preposition of place. लेकिन अगर in समय बताता है, for example my birthday is in July, तो ये time बता रहा है. ओके, कि हाँ मेरा बर्थडे कब है, जुलाई में. somewhere it is saying about, speaking about time. Okay, so that's why it is preposition of time. She has been waiting for you since morning. Here also since is preposition of time. The rehearsal goes on from 3 to 6 p.m. This is also preposition of time. Now see here words such as around, in, on, by, from, since, for, before, after, during, till, until are preposition of time. Okay, once again you'll have to learn all this. Next, some prepositions like in, on, at, from are considered as both preposition of place, direction as well as preposition of time, but it depends on the situation. I have told you this earlier also before few minutes that they are the preposition कि they are preposition of place also and time also. but कैसे इसको समझेंगे, उसको ऐसे समझेंगे, वी विल सी द सेंटेंस. ओके, वी विल सी द सेंटेंस. ये सेंटेंस में इट इज ये बता रहा है, समय को बता रहा है, या इट इज सेइंग अबाउट टाइम, सॉरी, या इट इज सेइंग अबाउट प्लेस. ओके, आइदर टाइम और प्लेस, समय बता रहा है या फिर टाइम बता रहा है, उस अकॉर्डिंग हम इसको कैटेगराइज करेंगे दैट इट इज प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ टाइम और प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ प्लेस. फॉर एग्जांपल यू कैन सी हियर, सी यू एट बस स्टॉप, the flight arrived at noon. Now see here at is preposition in both above sentences. Of course at is preposition, दोनों preposition है दोनों में, but the same preposition is used in two different situations. So in the first sentence at is preposition of place, whereas in the second sentence at is preposition of time. Okay, at is preposition of place and at is preposition of time. Here at bus stop preposition of place and at noon it is preposition of time. Well, in the same way we can see the examples given below. Some more examples we will see here. The newspaper comes in the morning. Second example, the books are kept in the bag. Here preposition. Okay, here in is the preposition, but in the first sentence in is the preposition of time because it is saying about time, and in the second sentence in is the preposition of place. Why? क्योंकि ये समय जगह बता रहे that where is the book, where are the books kept, the books are kept in the bag. Okay, next, the rehearsal goes on from 3 to 6 p.m. Second example, he has come from Mumbai. So in first sentence Of course, from is preposition in the both sentences, but in the first sentence from is preposition of time क्योंकि ये समय बता रहा है, and the second sentence from is the preposition of direction because it is saying about direction. Okay. Next, we will see objects of preposition. Okay, objects of preposition. Object and subject, all of you have read earlier also. So it like transitive verbs, prepositions must also have objects. Words, phrases that comes after a preposition are known as objects of preposition. So here we will see subject and object. It is very easy. सब्जेक्ट तो हम जानते हैं, रानी, सपोज द सेंटेंस इज गिवन, रानी इज वेटिंग फॉर यू, देन रानी इज सब्जेक्ट हियर. ओके, एंड फॉर यू, अब प्रीपोजिशन के बाद जो वर्ड आया दैट इज यू इज ऑब्जेक्ट हियर. ओके, तो सो सी हियर रानी इज वेटिंग फॉर यू, फॉर इज प्रीपोजिशन, और प्रीपोजिशन के बाद जो वर्ड आया, ओके, दैट इज ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ प्रीपोजिशन. यू इज द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ प्रीपोजिशन हियर. नेक्स्ट इज आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस इंसिडेंट. Here you is subject and about is preposition and incident is object of preposition. Okay, use of since and for, all of you know very well. I have taught you earlier also. Once again you can see we use preposition since and for to show time. Yes, since and for it is preposition. ठीक है, ये since and for are the preposition of time. Since is used when we talk about an activity that started at some time in the past. Since का use हम लोग कहाँ करते हैं? Since we use since जब हम किसी ऐसे कार्य की बात करते हैं that started at the some time in the past, जो कि past के किसी फिक्स समय में स्टार्ट हुआ and has continued to the time when we are speaking, और उस समय तक कंटिन्यू है, जारी है at the time, उस समय तक when we are speaking, जब हम बोल रहे हैं. whereas जबकि for is used when we refer to a length of time or duration. और for का यूज़ हम लोग कहाँ करते हैं? समय की अवधि बताने के लिए. but do not specify the time when the action started. लेकिन यहाँ पे ये नहीं बताया जाता that when the action is started. okay, next means here since for fixed point of time, इसमें ये पता चलता है कि that when the action is started, but in for it is only for duration of time. Here we can't know, हम नहीं जान पाते कि that when the action started. Next, for example, Neil has been out since 7 o'clock this morning. Neha can't wait still for 5 minutes. Okay, see 7 o'clock in the morning it is fixed point of time and for 5 minutes it is duration of time. यहाँ 5 minutes यानी कितने बजे से 5 minutes, कब का 5 minutes है, it is not mentioned here. So for is here we have used for. As we know that since and for are prepositions of time.